Hey guys, it's Mary, and today I'm going to be unboxing a cleaning kit for my phone and other tech from Walmart. So if you want to see it, then stay tuned. Let's get it open. Alright. As you can see, my tripod is set up on the table, but that's not what, or not on the table, above it, but that's not what we're here to talk about. We're here to talk about this. This is the iPhone cleaning kit from Walmart, and this cleaning kit, I've tried it like 2 years ago, and it could be better, but anyway. Alright. So we're going to just undo this, just like so. Alright. Hopefully I'm not getting this, like, you know. Alright, so we're gonna pull out the insert. Okay. You get a spray. It's a pretty good sized bottle. A crap ton of wipes along with the spray. And you also get this microfiber cloth, another insert, and that's all. Now it's time to try it out on a piece of my tech. So here we have my iPhone 5S. Whoops. I'm trying to grab everything. Okay. Here we go. Okay. Here's my iPhone 5S. We're going to take a wipe, okay? But before we can use these wipes, okay, because they're in increments of 2, we're going to have to rip them apart. So let's go ahead and get these ripped apart. These are very easy to rip apart. I'm just going to start ripping without speaking so we can get through this faster. And I'm going to rip 2 at a time so that way we can get through them a lot quicker as well. Alright, so next we're going to take the iPhone that I mentioned, and just to make things a little bit easier, I'm going to take it out of its case. So, alright, we're going to take one of these wipes, and we're just going to go ahead and we're going to wipe it with the wipe. Although, this one's wanting to be a little bit irritable, like stubborn, so we're having to work a little bit slower. Okay. I remember these very, very well. Again, these are alcohol and ammonia free. You guys can clearly see, okay, that this is pretty freaking abrasive. Minus when it hits my hand. You guys can see how hard I'm having to wipe this, okay? So we're gonna put that to the side. Put that, we'll just go ahead and put that along with this part in the box. And now we're just gonna we're gonna leave it out of the case, okay? And we're just gonna put our trash, okay, in the box right quick because it'll get in our way if we don't. So we're gonna just go ahead, put everything in the trash box here. All right. Now, we're even gonna put the used wipe in the box just to make things easier on ourselves. Now I'm gonna go ahead and just sit the wipes on the left-hand side of my body here. And next we're gonna take our spray. What the heck? We're gonna take our wipes and our microfiber cloth. We're gonna fold the microfiber cloth, or not the wipes, but the spray and our cloth, and we're gonna fold it something like that. Okay. Next, we're gonna take our spray. The lid's hard to get off, but it works just as okay. You gotta prime the thing. All right. Put the spray back on, the lid, back on the spray. All right, and next we are going to take the cloth that has the spray on it, and we are just gonna wipe how you saw me doing with the cloth, but you guys can see that this is not as abrasive. It's not even abrasive. You guys can see how easy it is to just wipe away, and it doesn't get lint in the phone. And you guys can see just how shiny that is, how it wasn't before. So this stuff dries quick. Just wave it around a little bit and you're good to go. This did at one point have a very strong smell despite being ammonia free. It's not that bad now, okay, but it is still kind of like not a very pleasant smell. And I'm just gonna slide my phone, my example here, back into its case. For my SE, I'm not gonna do what I did for this phone, but I hope that this helps. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you want to see more iPhone accessories or cleaner unboxings or hacks, let me know what you want to see in the comments down below if the comments are on. And don't forget, be happy, healthy, and safe. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.